The Unitary workshops take you on a journey of self-discovery, beyond the impossibilities of the mind and the limitations of the material world.
These workshops offer you enlightened tools that enable you to live with more consciousness and awaken your extrasensory faculties.
The original information presented is inspired by transcendent dimensions and is a fruit of years of research, intuition, and experiences.
First level, Inner Development Workshops.
Discover Medit Action.
Explore your inner universe.
Learn to manage and master your energy.
Journey through the worlds of mind, soul, and body.
Develop contact with other dimensions.
Second level, Unitary Science Training. You can complete your training with a series of more specific workshops in order to deepen your knowledge, develop your potential, and experience the cosmic junction. These live workshops are held in privileged settings with special energetic harmony.
Online workshops are also offered by video conference in beautiful, interactive virtual worlds.
The Unitary Workshops team looks forward to accompanying you along the magical path of awakening consciousness.